To program the Xhorse Condor Mini Plus 2 key cutting machine with the XDKR00GL key reader, first connect both devices via Bluetooth or USB using the Xhorse app or software. Power on the key reader, insert the key blade and press read key to analyze the key biting. Once scanned, transfer the data to the Condor Mini Plus 2. Select the correct key type and follow the on-screen prompts to cut the key precisely. Ensure firmware is up to date for optimal performance and accuracy. So go ahead and get your Xhorse Condor Mini Plus 2 key cutting machine with the XDKR00GL key reader here at Locksmith Keyless. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.